going, guys?
How's it going? We are on our way to AAA Muffler in Garland to go pick up the Z. Unfortunately, I had the GoPro plugged in all night last night, hoping to charge it, ready to go today, and it didn't charge. We had them call us when they were pulling the Z in to work on it, so hopefully by the time we get there, they will start to have worked on it. Maybe we get some clips of them, you know, doing something with it.
Now, we're in shit truck here, and it's a little straight piped and a little loud because of tires and it's old and whatever else. So you might not be able to hear us very well, because, I mean, if you just listen real quick. Yeah, Maggie. Oh, shit. Oh, hard on the brakes.
There's cars, like, right there.
People behind us are probably like, oh my god.
Yeah, no shit.
Fair warning, if I do roll down the window, it's because Oakley's in the back, and he's got gas today. Like,
Bad.
a lot.
So bad.
And it's rancid, man.
My poor child.
Alright, people farts, you'll start to smell it, and then it gets worse, and then it's bad. Oakley's, the dogs, you'll be just breathing, right? You exhale, you inhale, and it is 100% like death.
Green light.
Oh, hey, I still got a dolly back there.
Yeah, I know. When I slammed on my brakes there earlier, it fucking thunk into the front of the bed.
It don't matter.
We'll catch back up to you when we're getting close to AAA. Alright guys, we made it to AAA. And we're excited. The Z is on the rack. I don't see anybody working on it just yet. I think it's funny, dude. He said that they didn't even weld it all the way around.
No,
they just tacked it on top.
tacked it.
So, which means they were too lazy to take it back down, finish welding across the top. Well, they got the car on the lift. Now you can get a good view of the shit exhaust job they did. And look, right here it's only tacked. It's not even welded all the way. They're horribly pitted and everything. Looks like shit. You ready to get it fixed?
Oh yeah, I've been ready.
Alright guys, well, as you can see, we made it back from AAA Muffler in Garland. They did an awesome job. They actually hooked us up with some anodized tips that look awesome, that we'll show you in a second. If you're in the area, I mean, anywhere close to Garland, it is worth going to AAA Muffler and seeing Scott. He hooked us up, and they did a really, really good job.
It looks amazing. They're actually straight and even.
So now, what we're gonna do is, since we've got a guy coming by tomorrow with the fenders and the side skirts, we're gonna go ahead and start ripping all of that off.
So we're gonna take the camera down, show you what the exhaust actually looks like under there, and go from there.
Alright, so now I can get down here and show you the exhaust a little bit better. Beautiful anodized tips. They look freaking awesome. And if you check this out, they're straight. What? They look good. They did a really awesome job, and I think Noah's pretty happy with it.
I'm very happy with it. I
I love it. I wasn't originally gonna go with the anodized tips, but he showed them to me, we held them up, and I was like, send it.
So we're gonna go ahead and start ripping off these fenders. All right guys, so we're gonna show you just kind of the basics of how to get these fenders off. So what we found out is you gotta take off these 1, 2, 3 bolts here, and you can actually leave the headlight and your fender will pull out from under here, so don't worry about that. Then there's one there, and then you gotta take off this clip and this bolt up here. Then, if you open the door, you can get right at this bolt here, and I think there's 2 underneath, right up under right here where the side skirt is. There's 2 underneath right there, and that's about as easy as it gets. Oh yeah, we got a fender.
So next thing we're gonna do is Project Drift Cart and rip the rest of the body off and just tube it. Not.
Okay, well now you saw us pull the fenders and the side skirts. You saw the video of getting the headlights in. You saw the exhaust getting done. And now all we gotta do is wait for the guy to come with the fenders.
And then we're gonna test it, see how they look.
Until next time, like, comment, subscribe.